welcome to Daniel's Toy Review. Today I've got this cool fire truck. Look at it go. Look at the wheels. They see me rolling. They hate me. And that's my fire truck. It's also open up. It tries to eat people. Press the like button so it gets off. That didn't work. Press the subscribe button. Oh, thank you guys. I'll never be showing that toy in the channel again. Okay, if you want another toy review, get this video to 25 likes. Bye guys. Skibbity bopping.